Come on, guy. Come on. Here we go. We're on. Are we? There we go. We're on. And the sun is about to set here in the middle of the summertime in July in Fort Bragg, California. There's a fog bank out there. I'm getting really zooming in as close as I possibly can on this fireball. Supposedly 93 million miles away from the Earth, but I just don't buy it. I mean, the sun and the moon are the same size, and they're much closer within the firmament, the dome. As it dips behind the fog, it's not actually setting; it's going out of sight. So it looks even brighter and brighter and brighter. Look at how round. See how round it is, Dave? Look. Oh my goodness, see, I can try to keep it steady. I'm zoomed all the way in. I have the filter on now. Whoa. I want to see a bird fly across my, my vision. Fly, 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 bird, fly, 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 birdie. Across the face of the sun. Oh my goodness gracious. Zoom out, here we go. Fly, 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 birdie. Zooming out. It makes it look so, it looks like a burning red fire, you know, because of the glare of the amber. Oh my goodness gracious. See, it's just dipping down there now, behind the fog bank. Just about going out, it's out of sight. Whoop, up, 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 up. Like it's dipping down. There goes the fog bank, raising up. Raising up. Every last bit of light I can out of this. It's there. See? It's there. See? Right there. Wow. Full again. It's throbbing and pulsating. It's not to be taken lightly or to be taken for granted. A glorious sun. Went beyond the horizon line. Over now for now.